Okay, so let's say the wind's blowing at 20 miles an hour, there's a blizzard, it's 20, 30 below, and I've got to walk 600 feet down the driveway to get the mail and back, and I don't want to freeze my head to death. I've got nice coats with good hoods, but my face is still out there in the open, and the wind is swirling like mad. Or I could be a businessman or a businesswoman waiting for a bus or a taxi or something out in the cold. So I have this thing I call an umbrella. It's a hollow tube with a handle, and I simply put it over my head. Both the top and the bottom are open, and so it stops the wind that's coming at me from these directions, but it doesn't stop airflow from the bottom and the top. So the amount of fogging up that it does is minimal. And just having a clear spot, just so you can see where you're walking, is all you really need. That's kind of what it does and what it is. So it just fits over your head. If you're a gal and you have a big hairdo, it doesn't mess up your hair. You can use it even if you have a hood on your jacket or what have you. This particular model is, as you can see, handheld. I'm sure it could be modified to fit on your shoulders to leave both hands free. This is what the umbrella looks like when it's folded up. It's made out of 3 pieces of probably about a 20-30 thousandths thick, fairly stiff, clear plastic material. I think it's an acrylic, but I'm not sure. It has 2 handles that are captive inside the mechanism. There's a special clear tape that holds the 3 sections of plastic together here, and there's Velcro on the edges of the device to hold it together when you make it into a circle. So you just kind of unfurl it and stick it together, pull the handles down, and you're ready to go. Ta-da! Down the driveway. Yes, if you don't have a headdress on at all, you can feel a 20 mile an hour wind on your ears, but it's nothing near the cold blast that we get here and when it's really cold weather. All you have to do is just take the Velcro part, fold it up like that, and put it in your attaché case or whatever, and you're done.